Every morning when you wake up, your brain begins reassembling the idea of you. You remember your name, your past, your preferences. You slip back into your habits. But none of these are fixed. They are reloaded, reconstructed, and in many cases, reimagined. Your identity is scaffolded by memory, but memory we now know is not a recording. It's a reconstruction. Each time you remember something, your brain rebuilds it. It fills in gaps. It smooths inconsistencies. It edits the past in real time. And each time you do this, the memory becomes less accurate, not more. It becomes a copy of a copy. A story retold so often, it becomes legend. Your childhood home? Likely different than you recall. Your high school friends' laugh? Probably a blend of sound and imagination. Your greatest heartbreak? Now a scene, edited for emotional clarity. And what about the future? That too is a construct. Your brain constantly simulates possible outcomes. What will happen if I say this? Do that? Turn left instead of right? These aren't real futures. They are guesses, predictions, they're hallucinations, just like memory. And yet, those hallucinations control your behavior. They shape your mood. They determine your identity. You fear the imagined loss. You crave the imagined reward. So the past is a guess. The future is a simulation. And the present? It's already gone. Still here? Good. That means you're questioning things. Now, if reality might be fake, at least make sure your next decision is real. Subscribe. Or don't. But if this timeline collapses, don't say I didn't warn you.